In the silent theater of the cosmos, a new act is unfolding. The vast expanse of space, usually a tranquil and serene backdrop, is now the stage for an extraordinary event. NASA's control rooms, usually filled with the hum of routine data, are now on high alert. Scientists and engineers are glued to their screens, monitoring every bit of incoming data with heightened vigilance. A colossal object, 100 times larger than recent threats, has been detected. This isn't just another space rock, it's a behemoth that dwarfs anything we've seen in recent history. This is no ordinary asteroid, it's a cosmic behemoth, a mountain of rock and ice, and it's got scientists worldwide on edge. Its sheer size and composition make it a subject of intense study and concern. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office issued urgent reports. This giant isn't just drifting, it's on a trajectory. The implications of its path are being analyzed with utmost urgency. Its path will bring it close to another rare visitor, the interstellar object 3I, or Atlas. The potential interaction between these two celestial bodies is a scenario that has never been observed before. The universe is a shooting gallery, and this is a projectile of unprecedented scale. The speed and trajectory of this asteroid make it a formidable object in the vast expanse of space. An object this size carries unimaginable kinetic energy. Think a cannonball the size of a city. The potential impact of such an object is beyond comprehension, with energy levels that could alter the course of history. Even a slight gravitational nudge could alter its course, raising the stakes for our planet. The gravitational forces at play could change its path in unpredictable ways, making it a subject of intense study. This is a wake-up call. We've grown used to small asteroids, but this is a monster, a relic from the solar system's formation. Its presence reminds us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmic neighborhood. Its discovery forces us to accelerate our efforts and prepare for scenarios once reserved for science fiction. The scientific community is mobilizing like never before, pooling resources and knowledge to understand and mitigate the potential threat. The universe is speaking, and it's time we pay attention. This event is a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos and the need for vigilance and preparedness. Our place in the cosmos has never felt more fragile. The vastness of space and the forces at play remind us of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. To truly grasp the unfolding drama in our solar system, we need to meet the other key player, 3I Atlas, a cosmic wanderer unlike almost anything we've ever seen before. The I in its name stands for interstellar, meaning this object is not from our solar system at all, but a visitor from another star system, only the third such interstellar object ever detected by humanity. Discovered by Hawaii's Atlas project, 3I Atlas is following a hyperbolic, one-way trajectory, racing through our solar system at incredible speed. It will never return, making its visit a once-in-a-lifetime event for astronomers and scientists around the world. This is a fleeting, precious chance to study a fragment of an alien world up close. An opportunity that may not come again for generations. The odds of this interstellar traveler crossing paths with our newly discovered giant asteroid are almost beyond comprehension. Astronomical in every sense of the word. Imagine 2 grains of sand, each from different continents, somehow meeting in the vastness of the Pacific Ocean. That's how extraordinary this cosmic coincidence truly is. This rare encounter is a unique scientific opportunity, allowing us to compare the composition, structure, and density of both a native and an interstellar object, unlocking clues about how worlds form and evolve. It's a powerful reminder that our solar system isn't a closed box, but an open, dynamic environment, constantly shaped by visitors and influences from the wider galaxy. Interstellar visitors and massive native asteroids can interact in ways we're only beginning to understand, revealing the true complexity and interconnectedness of our cosmic neighborhood. This isn't just a potential threat, it's a scientific puzzle, a rare event that could help us unlock secrets about planetary systems not just here but across the entire galaxy. The stakes are enormous, and so are the opportunities. For scientists and for all of us, the chance to witness and study this encounter has never been greater. How did we spot this giant? Not by luck, but by relentless vigilance. NASA and global partners scan the skies with powerful telescopes like Atlas and Catalina, imaging the night sky and using software to spot moving objects. Once a candidate is found, astronomers worldwide confirm and track it, calculating its orbit and future path. Space-based telescopes like NEOWISE scan in infrared, detecting dark asteroids invisible to ground-based eyes. All data flows to NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, where orbits are refined and threats assessed. Their simulations predict future trajectories and impact probabilities. When a giant like this appears, the center becomes the nerve center for global response. This is the backbone of planetary defense. When it comes to asteroids, size isn't just a detail, it's the difference between a close call and a global disaster. The sheer scale of these space rocks determines the fate of everything on Earth. A so-called city-killer asteroid could erase an entire metropolis in seconds, leaving devastation in its wake. But the object we're talking about now is 100 times larger, an entirely different beast. Its mass is 1,000,000 times greater than a city killer, and the energy it would unleash is almost beyond human comprehension. Imagine a force so powerful, it could reshape continents. The impact would trigger massive earthquakes, unleash tsunamis that race across oceans, and ignite volcanic eruptions worldwide. The planet would be thrown into chaos. Dust and debris would fill the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months or even years. This impact winter would devastate crops, disrupt food supplies, and threaten every living thing. This is the kind of cataclysm that wiped out the dinosaurs and changed the course of life on Earth forever. It's a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability. Our current planetary defense strategies, like NASA's DART mission, are designed to nudge much smaller asteroids off course. They're not built for giants like this. Deflecting an object of this magnitude would require technology and international cooperation far beyond anything we've ever attempted. It's a challenge that demands new thinking. Trying to stop it with our current tools would be like throwing a pebble at a speeding freight train, futile and hopeless. The discovery of such a colossal threat forces us to rethink everything we know about planetary defense. We must prepare for the unimaginable. We need to develop next-generation systems, innovative technologies, and global strategies to protect our world from threats on this scale. The stakes are nothing less than the survival of our civilization. Our future depends on how we respond to this challenge. The time to act is now, before it's too late. The alarm over this giant asteroid comes amid a wave of startling discoveries. Take asteroid 2024 YR4, Statue of Liberty sized, with a 1 in 43 chance of hitting Earth in 2032. It's the highest risk in recent memory, a real-world test of our tracking and response systems. Meanwhile, scientists have found 2 continent-sized structures deep within Earth's mantle, reminders that our own planet holds mysteries as profound as those in space. These discoveries highlight how little we truly know, from the deep mantle to deep space. Each new finding increases scientific vigilance and urgency. We're in a golden age of discovery, but also of new hazards. The detection of this giant asteroid didn't happen in a vacuum, it's part of a pattern of cosmic surprises. The universe is more dynamic and more dangerous than we ever imagined. If this giant were to strike Earth, the consequences would be apocalyptic. Even a smaller object like 2024 YR4 could obliterate a city, releasing energy far beyond any nuclear weapon. Scale that up, the new giant's impact would create a crater the size of a country, unleash mega earthquakes, and trigger tsunamis that devastate continents. The atmosphere would fill with debris, blocking sunlight and plunging the world into a deadly impact winter. Crops would fail, food chains would collapse, and mass extinction would follow. Acid rain would poison water and soil. Human civilization as we know it would not survive. This is why planetary defense is not optional. It's essential for our survival. The threat is real, and the consequences are final. We must take it seriously. Our future depends on it. So, what are we doing about it? Our best tool right now is relentless monitoring, constant observation with every available telescope and probe. The more precisely we know an object's orbit, the more options we have. For threats like 2024 YR4, years of lead time are critical for planning any response. Knowledge is our shield, turning fear into preparation. On active defense, we're just beginning. NASA's DART mission proved we can nudge small asteroids, but scaling up to city killers, or giants, is a massive leap. Deflecting a giant would require technology and coordination we don't yet have. For now, our strategy is simple: watch, learn, and innovate. Every discovery teaches us more, bringing us closer to real planetary defense. The challenge is immense, but so is our resolve. The future of Earth depends on what we do next. This giant asteroid is a message. Planetary threats know no borders. No nation can face this alone. It's a test of humanity's ability to unite. Networks like the International Asteroid Warning Network and the UN-endorsed Space Mission Planning Advisory Group are the seeds of a true planetary defense alliance. We need more telescopes, better detection, and advanced deflection technologies. The investment is tiny compared to the cost of inaction. This is the best insurance policy Earth can buy. The story of this asteroid is about perspective, reminding us to look beyond our differences. We are all crew on the same fragile spaceship. Protecting our world is our shared responsibility. By working together, we can meet any challenge the universe sends our way.